guys, let me show you around, because if you're ever in Montenegro, you probably won't ride a motorcycle here. And I want to now go around the Kotor Bay. To show you the area, to show you what kind of coastal roads you have here. It is actually a beautiful road to ride. It's about 40 something kilometers. And if you come here and you want like do easy ride, stop in some cities on your way, maybe have lunch, brunch, coffee, this will be perfect road as an introduction to the bay. Because you have all these beautiful views. It's easy, not that much traffic here. Let me put bike into the road mode to make it a little bit softer. Much softer now. I like these corners. Now I want to go back to dynamic. Actually here is much better. If you go straight line, you can switch onto the road mode. But over the few days riding, I would say that I would much prefer to use dynamic mode. It's kind of more, I just feel better. It understands what you need. Instead of like doing manually your settings, you just allow the system to understand what is the best. And it's quite intelligent, so it does what you need. Even when you don't know what you need, you know. That's what I like. So now we are going through a small city called Rison. I don't know much about this city. It is by the sea, but same time I actually never spent time here. But next city from here will be the one to visit. The thing is, in Montenegro, most of the roads, they go in through the city, not around the city. That's why you should be careful about animals, because cats and dogs sometimes can walk by the road, they can try to run. And this is not good. Just be careful, watch out. And now we are coming to historical city called Perest. Unfortunately, you cannot go there by motorcycle or car, so we will pass it by the road which is going around it. but it's really beautiful city. It is historical. It has a lot of old buildings. I'll show you now. Beautiful sunny weather today in October. October is the best time for riding motorcycle in this area. Yeah, we enter in Peros city, and from here you have amazing view. You see? I don't know if I can show it to you, but it's beautiful. And then you see this is road to the city, and we're going around it, so we're going up because we cannot go through the city. But from here as well you have amazing views. I think I just cannot show it to you. Okay guys, decide what you want to do. Let me just stop here for a minute and show it to you. So this is Old Town. You can only walk there, and now you have entire bay. It is beautiful view from here, but we should keep going. What I also like in these motorcycles that when you're going downhill, you just release throttle and it will decelerate you just by engine. You don't really need to engage brakes all the time. This road is amazing in the morning because in the morning there is like zero traffic here, and also you will be able to see the sunrise from that direction. So it is really good to come here on Saturday morning or Sunday morning and just ride. we are coming to Orahovac city. It's really small, tiny city, I would say.